Getting paid by just reading emails is one of the easiest ways to make money online. That's why in today's video I'll share with you some sources that pay you for doing so. They are absolutely free and available all around the world, so anyone can join. If you're interested, make sure to keep watching until the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before we get to the video, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aidenemia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. Without any further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple sources, so just make sure to stay tuned because you can get easily lost or confused. So I'm going to proceed with the very first platform. First of all, I want to show you payment proofs that this actually works. Here you're going to see people from all around the world, just like I promised you before, like from Benin, India, Venezuela, Peru, Egypt, Algeria, Brazil, and so on, getting paid through Payeer because this platform offers Payeer as a payment method. They are getting paid a couple of dollars here and there, but I'm going to give you multiple platforms and also to show you ways how to maximize your earnings. So the website in question is called Volutic, and this is over at volutic.com. With Volutic you can earn money by just reading emails, so this is our main focus on today. You can get paid wherever you are, and you can even use your PC, tablet or mobile phone. They pay you instantly for every email that you read, and the minimum payout is only 20 cents, as you can see. In addition to that, they also pay you commission if you refer people over here. They have 6 levels, as you can see, and also they pay you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1 as well. So if you scroll down, you're going to see also the payment proof section that I showed you at the beginning of this video, so you can even check them out by yourself. So what I want you to do now is to click on the register button in the upper right corner or right here, and in the next page you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password. You can leave the referral box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone. You can read and accept the terms of service and privacy notice and click on the register button down here. Once you do so, they are going to send you an email, so you need to verify your email address, and after that you'll be able to log into your brand new account. And this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard. You're going to see how much money you have made, purchase, and also commission. You're going to see your referral link here that you can copy and also start sharing it with people, and whenever people click on it and start making money with Volutic, you're also going to earn. You can find those people over at Make Money Online forums, so you can find in this way people that are interested in making money online, so even you can make the most money. So it's a pretty good way to maximize your results actually, and I highly recommend you do it. But of course I'm going to give you other platforms just like I mentioned before, so stay tuned for that. And I want to show you how you can withdraw your money. So once you reach like 20 cents or even more, it depends on you, you can go over to the money section in the left hand side and then click on the withdraw button. After that you need to put here your payment information. So as you can see, you need a Payeer address. You're going to select the balance that you want to request, and then you can just click on withdraw. You can also go over to statistics over here and then leaderboard, so you can see people that have made the most money. So this person here has made more than $1,000 with Volutic, which is pretty awesome actually. This one here I make $900, this one here $400, and so on. You can also see top 10 countries like India, Brazil, Indonesia, Serbia, and so on, top 10 referrals, and also top 10 commission earners. These are also the proofs that show that this is a legit platform. Of course you can use volutic.com in order to get paid by just reading emails, and you can combine this one with other platforms as well. So I'm going to proceed with the second platform, which is called Genie, and it's over at clicksgenie.com. You're going to get paid to read emails, and I want to mention that of course you're not going to make a lot of money, but also it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this so you can get the desired results. And you can make some extra money for yourself that you can spend however you want, because this is one of the easiest easiest ways actually to make money online. You just need to click on some emails and then you're going to get paid for that. So you're going to see some of the features that Genie offer. It's very easy to use. They offer multiple earning options, so you can get paid from eating emails but also by inviting your friends. They offer multiple levels commission. It is secure. Also, you're going to see that it's super fast, and some other features are that you're going to see that you're going to receive payments instantly. Once you reach like 1 cent in your account, you're going to get paid through Perfect Money and also Bitcoin, which is pretty awesome actually. It is 100% secure. You can even see some stats here, and go over to payment proofs so you can check out the proofs over at Genie. Even over here you're going to see that it works all around the world and people are getting paid through their preferred payment method again and again, which shows that this is a legit platform. So you're going to register in 30 seconds. After that you're going to see that you can view all of your earnings, commissions and referrals in real time, just like on Volutic. It is available for everyone and they offer 24-hour customer support. You can get started with Genie by just clicking in the register button up here. In the next page you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password. You can leave the referral box empty. After that you're going to confirm that you're not a robot by completing a CAPTCHA, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on the register button. So it's going to work pretty much like the previous website. You're going to receive some emails and you're going to get paid for that again and again. And right now I'm going to proceed with the third and also the final platform for today. So as I said before, I had multiple platforms to show you, so if you are liking this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Let's proceed to the final platform for today, which is over at paid to read emails. So this is paid-to-read.email.com. You can sign up for absolutely free here by choosing a gender, first name, primary email, which is going to be the email that you are going to receive your emails in order to get paid. So I highly recommend that you use the same emails for all of these platforms. So then put a password and you're going to sign up. So it's very easy actually. You're going to sign up, read emails and get paid. You're going to receive daily paid emails, so you can make money every day. Within 24 hours you're going to get paid. Once you reach $15 in your account, you can request your payment. You can join now and also earn $3 of sign up bonus, which is a nice addition actually. You're going to even get paid by referring your friends in passive income and also by taking some paid surveys every day, and you can earn between 50 cents up to $1 and even $1.20 actually per survey, which is pretty awesome, and it shows that you can maximize the results and earn even more money with this one. And I want to mention that this platform has been around since 2005, so this shows that this is a legit one that has been around for a long time now. So this was the last platform for today. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, just give a thumbs up to it, a comment down below, and let me know which one of these platforms is your favorite one. If you haven't already and you are new to this channel, subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching.